At 9 a.m., a thermometer reading of 70 degrees Fahrenheit is taken outdoors, where the temperature is 15 degrees Fahrenheit. At 9:05 a.m., the thermometer reading is 45 degrees Fahrenheit. At 9:10 a.m., the thermometer is taken back indoors, where the temperature is fixed at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Letter A, find the reading at 9:20 a.m. And letter B, when will the reading to the nearest degree, 69.99 degrees Fahrenheit, return back to its indoor temperature, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's map out the things that happened. Okay, first, let's write the time in minutes. So let's say it started at 9 a.m. So say at 0 minutes, the time, the temperature in Fahrenheit is at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It was taken outside at 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Then after 5 minutes, 9:05, the reading was 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Say medium. Okay? However, after 10 minutes, 9:10, it was taken back inside. No? So, this is still 15. This is still 15. So, it went back into 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, the question is, after 20 at 9:20, what is the temperature? Okay? So, we can separate this, that this is the heat, the cooling part, and then this is the heating part. Okay? So, you are also asked at what time t will the temperature be back at around 69.99 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So, we just set up the equation. So, let's start with the cooling part. We solve for K first. No? So, we have dt over dt is equal to kt minus tm. Multiply both sides by dt over t minus t sub m. So, that becomes 1 over t minus t sub m dt is equal to k d small t. And then integrating from 0 to 5, so that change from 70 to 45. So that will be ln of 45 minus the medium, which is 15, all over 70 minus 15 is equal to k times 5 minus 0. So we just erase both sides by e. So this becomes 45 minus 15. No need to raise to e. K will just be ln of 45 minus 15 over 70. Let's get the value. 45 minus 15 is 30. 70 minus 15 is 55 all over 5. ln of 30 over 55 over 5. That's the value of our k. Okay. Once you have your k, we now get the temperature right before we change the medium from outside, we put it outside. No? So we continue. We just continue with the same formula with the integral. 1 over t minus 15 from 0 to 10. Just get the value of, sorry, that's time. So from 70 to capital T, no, you don't know the temperature, then that's K, which is, just put K, and then you have from 0 to 10 dt. Okay? So substituting the values, we'll get ln t minus 15 all over 70 minus 15 is equal to ln 30 over 55 all over 5 times 10 minus 0. So we just raise everything to e. That will decompose the ln. Let's just put k here for simplicity. So this will become t minus 15 over 70 minus 15 is equal to e raised to 10k. 70 minus 15 is 55, so t minus 15 is equal to 55. We just multiply both sides by 55, e raised to 10k. So t is 15 plus 55 e raised to 10k. So that substituting the value of k, we now have the temperature as 31.364 degrees Fahrenheit. So right before it was taken inside, the temperature was 31.364. Okay? So now we use this and we now go through the heating. No? So we can get the temperature at 20. So at heating, okay, this is where it gets tricky. So take note that we did not use the negative, no? Kasi if we use the same K, because we can use the same K as a cooling, the negative K, no? We will continue with the same model, the cooling model. Kasi we use that K, no? The medium will just be updated. That will account for the heating. If we will be using the negative, we might as well solve for the new K. No? Ganun yung paggamit. Okay, so variable separable. So this will end up as 1 over t minus your new medium is now 70. dt is equal to k dt from 10. You're being asked for the temperature at 20. So we start at 31.364 and then you were asked for the temperature. So this will be ln of t minus 70 all over 31.364 minus 70 times 10 minus 20 is 10k. We get e on both sides. You'll decompose the ln. You'll have t minus 70 all over 31.364 minus 70 is equal to e raised to 10k. So your temperature will be, if we rearrange, this will be 70 plus 31.364 minus 70 times e raised to 10k. Substituting k, you will get the temperature equal to, this is now your temperature at 920, 58.505. Now we get the time at before it reaches 70 degrees Fahrenheit. We can actually use this same equation here. It's just that we will replace this as x or a small t na lang. Small t, and then this will be, okay. So just to point out why we get it at 69.99, if we replace it with 70, you'll end up with an ln0, which is a math error. So this will be ln of 69.99 minus 70 all over 31.364 minus 70 is equal to k times t minus 10. Okay? And then you'll have t as you have your value of k, you have your t, you solve for t, you'll get the answer as 78.13 minutes, or it means 78.13 minutes after 9 a.m. So this will be at, okay, so this will be your final answer.